Check out this colorful and bright house by Stanza Living. Chatham House is located ideally to reach both work and uni on time. Go shopping or head to the lake for an evening chill. Your house is impossible to enter without passing through a multi-level security system. We prioritize the safety of our residents. Enter to find a cozy reception which opens into a massive common area that is designed for fun times. Chill with friends in one of these many vibrant seating corners. Heading further in, you will find a self-help equipped pantry, so get snacking. Let us show you to your dining area. It is an absolute treat, big and spacious. Come here for meals from our FSSAI certified kitchen that is served here every day. If you're not in the mood for food, head to play a game of carom or declare a war in table tennis right here and get that competition going. This recreational zone is sure to be your favorite. Oh, and high-speed Wi-Fi runs hot through the property. So watch some flicks while you hang here. Take the elevator to your floor and walk down the corridor, always fixed with a water station. Head into your very own bedroom. Whether you want to fly solo or share the room with a buddy, the rooms are designed to curate to your taste. Spruce it up if you will. But we've got all the necessities figured out for you, even the bed sheets. The rooms come with attached bathrooms that are clean and have round-the-clock hot water supply. Call out to the housekeeping staff through the resident app, and Chatham House has a lot to offer. So pack your bags and come on here.